you're aware that Airports Authority of India is the largest airport operator in the country, and we manage a large number of airports, more than 100 airports. And we are in the process of also building new airports constantly, and there is a very ambitious program that we are going through to convert old airfields, the existing airfields, and also going for new greenfield projects. Under the UDAN scheme, you are aware that we have operationalized more than 45 airports in the last 3 years, and we have plans to do many more in the coming years. But while doing so, we are a very environmentally conscious organization, and we want to conserve every drop of water that is there in our airport premises. So not only have we done rainwater harvesting projects at our existing airports, we are ensuring that all our future new terminal buildings, new cargo complexes, and other air traffic control towers, or whatever airport facilities we are building, any new infrastructure that we are building, there is ample provision for rainwater harvesting, so that every drop of water that is done in this huge premise that is known as the airport, because airports, you are aware, are on hundreds and thousands of acres of land, and we are able to conserve all the water that falls in that area. So rainwater harvesting is a very important part of all our existing and new projects that we undertake of expansion of infrastructure. Similarly, sewage treatment. There is a lot of there is a lot of flow of water and other products from our terminal buildings and others. So we are going on a program of treating the sewage, so that whatever waste water or other liquids emanate from the airport premises are all treated, and we do not pollute the society in and around the airport. We have taken up a lot of projects to raise the environmental consciousness, especially in the villages and small habitations around airports, through our corporate social responsibility resources. And these have helped raise consciousness about the environment, and these include sewage treatment plants and other such measures that we have undertaken in these areas that are there in close vicinity of the airport. We are also trying to build environmentally compliant LEED certified buildings that will come up when the new terminal buildings come up. So all in all, we are committed to increasing the consciousness about environment in the areas around us, making sure that we do environmentally sustainable capital projects and infrastructure projects, and also we help reduce the carbon footprint wherever our projects are located. The Airport Authority of India wholeheartedly supports the Jal Shakti Ministry's National Water Mission's Catch the Rain campaign.